Good morning, everyone. Today I want to do one experiment for you. Okay, I choose two solutions. One solution is sodium hydroxide and second solution is copper sulfate. I want to combine together what happened, right? Okay, today I'm going to show you about a precipitation reaction. Okay, sodium hydroxide, copper sulfate, combine together, right? Okay, I pump it, right? To the tube and then pumps it into here, right? Okay, this is no color sodium hydroxide. Okay, copper sulfate, blue colors. Okay, blue colors. Okay, you see this one, right? Okay, this one, right? This is the precipitation reaction. You got it, right? We got the precipitation copper to hydroxide, right? Copper to hydroxide is here, right? Okay, you see it, right? Okay, after we do experiment precipitation reactions, so I want to solve one exercise for you about precipitation reaction. Okay, let's start together, right? Aqueous copper to sulfate. Okay, this one, and reacts with aqueous sodium hydroxide. We have now concentration 0.50 molarities and the volume 200 milliliters. Okay, number one, write the balance molecular and total ionic and net ionic equation. 2. Calculate the mass of copper to hydroxide. This is precipitation reaction, right? Okay, number one. Balance molecular equation okay. Copper to sulfate, right? CuSO4 aqueous plus sodium hydroxide aqueous. The product copper to hydroxide. It is solid, right? Okay, plus sodium sulfate aqueous. Okay, after we write equation so that we have to balance it, right? Okay, sodium in the products, 2 atoms, and reactant sodium of 1 atom, so that you have to add 2, right? Okay, next we write the total ionic equation. Total ionic equation. Okay. We have to decompose the aqueous solution, right? So that HU sulfate ion HU2, right? Plus sodium ion HU plus hydroxide ion HU coupled to hydroxide solid plus ion sodium ion aqueous plus sulfate ion aqueous. Okay, if the same ions that you can say spectator ions like sulfate and sulfate, we remove, right? This one we remove that, right? It is sulfate too, right? Okay, sodium and sodium ion the same, so that we have to remove that, right? Okay. We have to remove and remove here, right? So the last equation, net ionic equation, net ionic equation. Okay, so that you have right couple ion aqueous plus hydroxide ion aqueous use coupled to hydroxide solid, right? Okay, so number one we finished already, right? Yes. And then we do number two, calculate. Okay, calculate the mass of couple to hydroxide. Okay, calculate the mass coupled to hydroxide. Okay. Okay, we have mass equal mole multiply mass mole, right? Coupled to hydroxide equals Okay, 98 gram per mole, right? So that we have to calculate the mole of sodium hydroxide first. Sodium hydroxide, we have concentration 0.50 molarity and 200 milliliter per mole. Sodium hydroxide. $50 molarity multiplied 0.2 liter equal 0.1 mole. Okay, we have to see the equations. So it is okay, these equations. So mole of copper 2 ions, copper 2 hydroxide, stem aside 0.005 mole. And then mass copper to hydroxide 0.005 mole. Gram per mole, yes, right. Okay, equal 0.49 gram. Okay, this is one, right? Okay, if you have questions, you can comment below. I will try to explain you more about the precipitation reaction. Okay, bye-bye.